How's work?
Fine.
School?
Sucks.
As usual. Oh.
We are at our secret lair in an undisclosed location where no one will know. Not even you, viewers.
Sorry, it's our thing. Even though we are in Unionville, Missouri, and some of you guys don't know where that's at. Actually, don't even know where Unionville is.
Or
if
Missouri,
not,
for that matter.
Exactly, Missouri for that matter. Anyway, shh, keep it quiet. That's all we gotta say. And leave comments down at the bottom. Don't. That's fine. Just please rate. Do something. Cause
just leave nice comments.
Please. This
We'll
is
kick your ass.
This is mine, Billy7863, my second or third video, and this is what's your name?
Mr. PK, your mom.
Yeah, his other video along with me in this same hoodie, but the other time I was shirtless. But anyway, come on, let's go.
All right, we are going to a place called the Scoreboard after evacuating our secret diabolical lair. No one knows about it? No. Many people do. We don't know this is our secret hideout. Sorry, it's a mess. We haven't cleaned it in a while. Actually, haven't cleaned it, period. Because other people used to hang out here too. And do God knows what. Shh.
Hurry.
Sorry for the profanity on the door. It's not our fault. Wasn't us. Wasn't me. Alright. Sunset night. Remember, no parking here at any time. If you do, we will kick your ass.
We will kill you. Find you, hunt you down, and kill you.
And rape your family.
Let's see, where are we going first? I know we're not going to the Scoreboard first.
Yes, we are.
No. We're going to go across around.
Okay.
Well, here's kind of an ice cream shop around Unionville.
Or something.
Needful Things. First time I saw it, I thought it was Needful Things, and I saw that movie Needful Things. I just peed my pants! But then I jizzed in my pants.
Was it a movie?
That was Jizzed in My Pants by whoever. I don't remember. Anyway, here is
wherever.
Styling Shop. Weird fucked up thing.
This is some place that sells crap. Here's
Used to be the arcade. No, that didn't used to be arcade. This used to be the arcade. Then it's now
sugar-free candy. Oh, and fudge.
Courthouse.
Don't go in there. You're getting trouble. The Farmers Bank of Northern Missouri. And .A. Whatever the hell that means.
My bank.
Not robbing today, are we?
Nope.
Gotcha.
Just making a harmless video.
Harmless video. Video. Just a video.
Farmers Bank.
We will not enter it due to security reasons.
That is closed.
Oh, well, I guess there's that reason too. It is 5:08 and 52 degrees outside today, and 5:08 in the evening. It's a pleasant, crappy evening out.
Justice. People will run us over. They don't care, especially if they know me.
They hate us. Absolutely no pets in the building. This is a no smoking area. That means you viewers.
Wait.
This is a laundromat. I don't even. Crappy building, wherever that was. Farm Bureau. That is. Putnam County Abstract Title. Whatever that is to Joe and kids, everything.
Joe. See, Joe and kids. Everything.
Whatever that
Sounds fucked up.
Sounds like a place where a pedophile hangs out. Unionville Republican. The Library.
The Liberals. Probably just a bunch of old books. What?
Don't be like this. Because you don't take the time to meet my friends and you don't know that Crystal and Stephanie are coming to school and I get high. Don't get high. Drugs are bad.
Exactly. Drugs are bad. Don't do them.
Well, we may make drug references. Don't do drugs. We're crazy. I just farted.
Oh, and if you're an emo watching this, I would suggest try to stop, but just to get you really hyped up, here's a blade.
This is the greenhouse place.
So?
Yeah, this is the greenhouse place. And now the Dollar General.
Dollar General.
Should we go inside?
Yeah, you know it.
I gotta see the bathrooms up so I can take a leak.
No, that's actually out of order.
Still?
Yeah.
They gotta finish it. They're gonna fix it.
Who knows?
Never. But crap. Kids' Halloween crap. Okay, they're moving in.
They're already ready for Christmas. Ugh.
Really? Alright. You know, and if you look to your right, it is a place where employees are only allowed. That means you too, Billy. And if you look over there, it's an unfunctional bathroom.
Hopefully I can find one of the people I know. But no, he did not just make out with it, even though it would look funny if he did.
Hey, whatever. Kids' toys.
Actually, I play with them too.
You play with the other toy.
Shut up.
Hey.
They don't need to know that.
The world doesn't need to know this. Oh yeah?
Well, you do too.
No, I don't.
Bull. Sorry this video is so long. We're
Yeah,
we're getting lost trying to find scoreboard. Thought we knew where it was. Don't.
Hey, look, over there you see the post office. And
Over there is the post office.
these are the Russians decided to nuke us at any time. There's cars. Do you see the trucks? Yes, you see the trucks. Yes,
Whoa,
yes.
dude!
Holy crap! Oh man,
They almost hit us again. They don't care if we get hit.
rapists. They hate us. Hey, look.
No, they're not rapists. Just don't listen to my coach. It's a black eye, butt.
Fuck iPod. Fuck iPod.
It's a bug or a buck eye.
Oh, they should
Things-
fuck iPod.
Yeah, I really told you to fucking iPod. I'm gonna go see someone that I know.
Warner drugs.
Yeah.
Drug. Come here, cheap shop. I know what those.
I know. So, actually, some people go to it because it's Tuck's rental.
You know, I've actually never been here.
I have. I need to see if Austin's mom is working. I think Austin's mom is working here. Yeah.
50 cents on you?
No, I don't. Why?
Oh. Hey, Skittles.
Dude, it used to be so much further back.
Hi, Billy. Hi. You're not taking my picture, are you? Good.
Taking a video, actually.
Oh.
That's even worse.
What are you doing? Gonna put it.
The Oregon Sack.
Bye. Bye, Mom. Yes, I called her mom. So what? I call her. No, that's wet. Kind of. I wouldn't get on that. They just replaced the concrete, as if you cannot tell. Oh my God! Here's scoreboard!
I found it. After a long adventure, we have finally found the scoreboard.
Again.
Again? We lost it.
I lost it once. Now were you there? Yeah. 10 minutes.
10 minutes and someone's like,
40.
someone's actually in here. Who's that?
It's cells.
This is the scoreboard. And is that bathroom open? Please don't be in it. I have to pee. Hey, guess what? There's a bathroom over there.
Well, hey, that's the end of our incredibly awesome video to scoreboard. Later.